set up the camera. Let's go. Doing a fake tornado sound. Prank. Man, wake up, bro. Wake up, man. Man. Wake up, bro. It's about to be a tornado, bro. You don't hear them sirens? Wake up, bro. Wake up, bro. Wake up, bro. Put on your shoes. We gotta go out the door, bro. Bro, put on your shoes.
What?
Bro, you don't hear them sirens. It's a tornado, nigga. Come on, we gotta go. We gotta go.
Don't do too much, son.
Look behind you. Look behind
Bro!
you. Gang, kinda good too. Like, huh? That's it for y'all boys and girls today. But, well, not today. Make sure y'all subscribe. Hit that like button. Hit that notification button. So you will be notified when I bring more bangers, more videos, more summer, everything. Peace. Oops, I ain't mean to say peace, but you gotta ask the dude how you feel. Hey, wake up, son.
Don't ask me nothing. Leave me alone.
How you felt, bruh?
No.
How you, was you scared?
Yeah, son. I thought Siren Head was here.
If I would've, guys, if I wouldn't start laughing, he would have thought it was real. I would have killed the prank going till he started running out the door. But yeah, let me know if y'all want to see some more pranks. I'm about to upload this video right now, so it should be uploaded in the next 5 minutes. Hey, bruh, how you feel? Was you like,
Bro.
was you terrified?
Yeah, I was scared. I wasn't terrified.
But did you hear the siren?
Yeah.
And
When
what?
you woke me up. I was in a deep sleep at first.
What was you saying?
I was like, what is that noise?
Yeah, I know that, but just say we got you.
No. I'm the prank king.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I don't know. I might bring another prank if he go back to sleep. Not saying I said I might. Nah. But yo, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification button so when I upload you can know.